Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about Python operators. Operators are used to perform operations on variables and values. Python divides the operators in the following groups: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, bitwise operators. So arithmetic operators are used to perform any additional, subtraction, multiplication, mathematical operations. Let's say if you want if you want to add any two numbers, you can use plus addition operator. That is, for example, x plus y. Here, if I say x equal to 10 and y equal to 20, then z equal to x plus y, print z. See, answer is 30. This is for addition. In the same way, you can use minus, multiplication, division. The next thing is Python assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign value to the variable. As we have seen that x is equal to 5, then equal to operator is used to assign a value to the variable x. Now, if I say print x, then what is the value of x? 5. Now, discuss about x plus y. X, no, plus equal to. See what happened when I say uh, plus equal to x plus equal to 3. Then I want to print this x. What is the value? It's going to add 3 to the existing value. The existing value of x is 5. Now I said x plus equal to 3, then it has added 3 to the 5. Then 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. If I say x minus is equal to 3, then print x. What is the value? It's going to subtract 3 from the 8, then x become 5. The same way, if I say x asterisk equal to 3, then I say print x. What is the value? 15. 5 3 is a 15. In the same way, if I say x divided by equal to 3, then I say print x. What is the value? 5.0. Right? Now Python comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare two values. See, double equal is used to compare the operators, like when I say 10 equal to 10, we have to use equal operator. If not equal, for example 10 not equal to 9, then we have to use not equal operator. And we have a greater than operator, for example, to check whether it is x is greater than or y or not. To check, we have to use the greater than operator. And we have to use less than operator for to check whether it is less than or not. And greater than or equal to operator, we have to use greater than or equal to symbol. For the less than or equal to symbol, we have to use less than or equal to. Python has logical operators. Logical operators are used to combine conditional statements, that is, return true if the both statements are true, returns true if one of the statements are true for the OR condition. Not is reverse the result, return false if the result is true. You can check the examples over here. Let's see one by one. Logical operator for cell, for example, x is equal to 5, and I say print x is less than 5 and x is less than 10. What is output? False. Why? Because we are checking x is less than 5 and x is less than 10, which is false. So it's going to return the false. The same way, if I say uh, print x is less than 5 or x is less than 4. What is the value here? False, because x is 5. That is the reason it's going to return the false value. And if I say print not x less than 5 and x less than 10 is true, here it is. Now we have Python identity operators. That is, identity operators are used to compare the objects, not if they are equal, but if they are actually the same object with the same memory location. Okay, so is operator returns true if both variables are the same object. Let's see how it works actually. For example, x equal to 5 and y equal to x. Then I'm going to check print x is y. True. Why? Because we are storing the same value in y. That is the reason it has written true. And is not written true if both variables are not the same object. Like print x is not y. The output is false, obviously.